This is Craig Haugard with your Financial Issues Ag Update. Well, corn prices were slightly higher yesterday, with gains limited by mostly favorable weather conditions with this week's warmer temperatures across the United States Midwest. In South American news, Ag Rural now estimates the Brazilian corn production at 97.7 million metric tons and be down from 100 million a year ago, and the latest USDA projection of 101 million. They are pegging the second corn crop at 66.7 million metric tons. That's down from 69.3 last year, as Brazil's central and south central areas have been dry for some time and continue to experience some dry conditions. In the overnight trade, we're slipping just a little bit, have spot corn futures down 2.5 cents as I record this. Soybean prices, on the other hand, were on the defensive yesterday from weakness in the soybean oil market, favorable weather conditions, and planting progress that's well ahead of the 5-year average. In the overnight trade, however, that's being reversed as well, with spot soybean futures trading up 3 cents. Wheat prices were mixed, from farmers struggling to get the spring wheat planted, which allowed the Minneapolis futures to close higher, while beneficial rains across the U.S. Southern Plains pressured Kansas City futures. Kansas City was under additional pressure as winter wheat harvest is beginning in portions of Texas. In the overnight trade, Chicago and Kansas City are each 2 cents lower, while Minneapolis is up 1.50. Cotton futures had a pretty good session yesterday, with the July futures closing 140 points higher as they settled at 59.20. In the overnight trade, we have spot futures an additional 33 points higher. Livestock futures were mixed. We had the August live cattle futures finishing the day 22.5 cents higher, while August feeder cattle finished the session 62.5 cents lower. Lean hog futures were weaker, with the July futures $1.37.5 lower at the close. Class 3 milk futures extended their recent run higher, with the June futures closing up 62 points to settle at 17.28. We're trading an additional 3 points higher in the overnight trade. Meat cutout values continued to break to the downside yesterday. We had choice boxed beef $5.48 lower, closing at $409.47, while select boxes were an even $6 lower as they settled at $388.87. Pork carcass cutout values broke as well yesterday, finishing down $9.76 as they closed at $97.70 per hundredweight. This has been Craig Haugard with your Financial Issues Ag Update. We'll be right back with more financial issues after this.